Hi everyone, Danka Praktik here. So you need a gift for a holiday or some special occasion, but money is scarce or it's that time in the month when it's non-existent. Not to worry, this video will show you some ideas that might help you get through this. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
If you want to wrap a gift that you've chosen, watch our video where we show you how to do that quickly and make the gift look very nice at the same time. The link for the video is in the card in the corner, or you can find it in the video description. Cosmetic sets. Lots of us have a surplus of cosmetics in the house. If you have an unused, nice-looking cosmetic set and the box still looks like new, you have a gift. Of course, check that the expiry date is okay and that the cosmetics are okay to use. Various beverages. Next, lots of people have leftover beverages from various occasions. Even better, there may be a leftover set with glasses and all. It doesn't have to be an alcohol beverage, it can be some kind of fancy fruit juice for instance. An additional plus for all of this is if the bottle has a good design. Again, check if there is an expiry date on the beverage and if it's safe to use. Dishes. Dishes that you don't use or you have a surplus of can make a very good gift. A nice crystal tray, a nice set of glasses, a fancy set of plates will make a good but also useful gift. Of course, there is also the always popular mug. Picture frames. Picture frames are also commonly gifted items. If you have a nice looking picture frame sitting around the house and gathering dust, you can make it into a gift. Pictures. When mentioning pictures, if you have a picture that looks good and you've preserved it well, this can also be a cool gift. A home appliance or tools. If you happen to have a new or preserved home appliance somewhere in the storage, this can also be a very nice and valuable gift. Of course, it's best that it's not used at all, or if it is, the traces of usage can't be noticed. The same goes for a nice set of tools, which is usually an awesome gift for someone who's into repairs. If you have a nice new dress, you can consider this as a gift also. Especially if, for instance, the dress is handmade, like in this case where Danka has made her own dress. This gives an additional and personal touch to it all. If you knit, you can make a scarf and cap, like in this case. Just find a nice box for these kinds of gifts. Regarding shoes, it's best if you happen to have the original box. A nice watch. Watches are also a common item that many people get in the past and don't wear even once. Why let it go to waste? Make a gift out of it, especially if it's a nice looking and quality watch. Also, a watch is the way to go if you don't want to make a mistake with choosing and also leave a very good impression. Homemade food. To move away a bit from popular articles and mention some other perhaps better gift options. If you're a good cook, your food may be a very nice and welcome gift, especially to someone who is a fan of homemade cooking but does not have the opportunity to do it themselves. You may have your special dishes for which you are famous for, make it, put it on a nice tray, and the gift is ready to go. Also, a jar of homemade jam, pickles, lettuce salad, homemade juice for instance is also a very good gift. Let the kids make the gifts. If you have a family and kids, perhaps let them make some sort of card or gift, especially if you're going to a family gathering. The kids' level of imagination and creativity is on the next level and oftentimes has a better effect than any of the previously mentioned ideas. If you watched the whole video, then you came probably to this conclusion. All of these suggestions come from what you already have around the house or you have to make the gift yourself. This may sometimes seem awkward or lame for some people, but when you're low on money, this is probably the best and only way to go and at the same time have a decent present for the occasion. Lots of times these presents are much better, more welcome and practical than if you bought them. Homemade food or clothing is a very good example for this. In the end, to have a good and memorable gift, you don't always need a ton of money. Some simple searching around the house and some good old-fashioned work can easily solve the problem. That's it for this time. We hope the video helps you find a nice gift. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.